One of the worst things of most Amazon affiliates is getting their accounts banned. So the question now is it okay for you as an Amazon affiliate to link from Pinterest directly to products on Amazon? This is a question I've been asking myself now for a while, since I wanted to give Pinterest a try as an Amazon affiliate. When I decided to head online to get an answer for my question, I came across conflicting information about whether or not you can use Amazon links on Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I found out during my research and what has actually changed about linking from Pinterest to Amazon directly. It seems a few years back, Amazon did not allow their links to be posted on Pinterest. It also seems that Pinterest did not allow affiliate links on their platform because spammers were abusing them. But now that Pinterest spam detection system is more sophisticated, it seems affiliate links are back on Pinterest. This means you can actually earn money by simply pinning your favorite product or recommendations from an affiliate network. So if you are an Amazon affiliate and you have been scared of linking directly from Pinterest, it's about time that you reconsider doing that because things have since changed. But first, what is Pinterest and why should you even bother using Pinterest for traffic as an affiliate when starting out? Pinterest is actually a platform designed to enable discovery of information on the World Wide Web using images and videos. So, if you are an affiliate blogger, for example, you can post the image you use on your blog post on Pinterest and start generating tons of traffic. If you're a YouTuber, you can post your videos on Pinterest and also start getting more views and subscribers. It's actually very easy to post your videos on Pinterest. YouTube actually makes it easy for you. After posting your videos on YouTube, simply go to the video page and click on the share button below the video, just like your viewers would do if they want to share your videos. Next is, from the pop-up that will appear, click on the Pinterest button and that's it. You can later on go into the post on Pinterest and further optimize it for the keywords you choose. I actually do have a bot on one of my Pinterest accounts that I use to post my videos, and even without much optimization on the pins that I post on that account, I am still able to generate up to 600 viewers each month. There are many reasons why Pinterest is a great opportunity for businesses online. Pinterest can actually help you introduce your business to a whole new audience. One pin can lead to 10 pins, which can also lead to another 10 pins, and so on and so forth. As you probably already know, awareness will lead to additional traffic to your website, new leads, and increase in sales. Another advantage of using Pinterest is that it syncs up with many social media apps you are probably already using for your marketing. Pinterest easily syncs with social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. You can also post your Pinterest feed on your website. With Amazon having tons of different products from different niches, putting it together with Pinterest can lead to some quick affiliate commissions for you. But what if you're just new into the affiliate marketing sphere and you don't have a blog or a website? The question now will be, does Amazon allow affiliates to link directly from Pinterest? Here is a screenshot of an email from Amazon sent to Kali, the owner of lovelyblogacademy.com. This was just a reply for her question on whether she can post Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. And as you can see clearly, Jason, an Amazon associate representative, confirmed that you can use their affiliate link on Pinterest. Now, if you are still skeptical about linking from Pinterest to Amazon, here is a blog post posted by Amazon themselves back in 2016 about posting Amazon affiliate links directly from Pinterest. This web page actually shows you the steps you need to follow to add your affiliate link on Pinterest. I will drop the link to this page in the description box below this video. Now, the main problem most Amazon affiliates face on Pinterest is that they use the Amazon affiliate link and try to disguise it by using a link shortener like bit.ly or tinyurl. Now you have to understand that although Pinterest allows Amazon affiliate links on their platform, they do not allow redirect links. Since the bit.ly links or the tiny URL links are redirect links, Pinterest will of course reject these links. That's the same reason why ClickBank links are rejected on Pinterest, because the products on ClickBank links to different pages. Amazon, on the other hand, has all its product landing pages within the Amazon platform, which means the links to Amazon are not redirected. So if you use the Amazon product links on Pinterest, it will be allowed. Now, having said all that, if you just go out there on Pinterest and start linking without a strategy, it will be hard to make any money because it's also a very competitive platform. So if you are interested in making money on Pinterest with Amazon, make sure to check out this blog post on Tube Mechanics Note. It clearly outlines a simple but effective strategy that I am personally using to promote Amazon products on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. So again, make sure to check out that post if you're interested in doing something with Pinterest. And with that, I hope this video did help clear out the doubts on whether you can post Amazon links directly on Pinterest. If the video was helpful, please make sure to hit that like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video from this channel.